Nurse, can I talk to you for a minute?
Who?
You.
Hey, what you want to talk about?
I'm lonely. Can I talk to you?
Baby, you in isolation. What you? Can you talk to me?
Yeah.
You mean? Baby, call me on the phone. You can call me on the phone. You want to call me on the phone?
No, I really need to talk to you. I'm lonely.
Baby, the extension is 1 2 3 4. You can call me out here at the desk. I can't come in there and talk to you now.
1 2 3 4.
Call me on your phone. That phone in your room. Call me on that phone. We can talk on the phone all day.
I'm lonely.
Okay, I understand you lonely, baby. Do you want me to call your family?
No.